हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं ये आज वीडियो लेके आया हूँ। इसमें हम ये वाले क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन क्लास 11th लॉगरिथम मैथ्स में एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। तो पहले हम सोचते हैं कि इसकी वैल्यू हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं। सो इज़ देयर एनी वे बाय विच वी कैन मेक दिस इनटू समथिंग सिंपलर which becomes a perfect square number, so that this and the square gets cancelled off and we get a simple value. So when we try with this thing, okay, we can't find any of such value to which we multiply this thing to get a simple value. So we are left with nothing but to think of this entire term as a variable. So let us do that. Let me choose the variable x. Okay, so we can say that x is equals to under root 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 root 2 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 and so on. Okay, so this is x. Okay, this entire thing is x. So from here, if we see carefully, then this entire term is also x. See, because this entire term we considered it as x, so this term is also will be x, this term also will be x, right? So in place of this I can write x. Okay, so I can do like x is equals to under root 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2, and in place of this entire term, which comes out to be like this only, I can write x, because I have considered this entire term as x. So this term will be also x. 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2, again 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2, that way. Okay, so I can write this. Now I'll solve for x here. So I will square both the sides, LHS and RHS. So I'll get x square is equals to 4 minus 1 by 3 root 2 x. Now we will multiply the entire thing by 3 root 2 so that we can get a simpler form of this. So I can write this as 3 root 2 x square is equals to 12 root 2 minus x. Okay, now I'll take this and this to this side. Okay, so root 3 by 2 x square plus x minus 12 root 2 is equals to 0. Now by using the discriminant method we will find the values for x. So let's find the discriminant of this. This is equals to d. Discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. B square is 1 here, so b square 1 square minus 4. A and c. A is 3 root 2, so 3 root 2, and c is minus 12 root 2. Okay, so this minus and minus gets plus. Okay, so this 1 plus 3 4s are 12, 12s are 144 into 2, 288. Okay, 288, which is equals to 289, which is the discriminant of this equation for x. Okay, now we will find the roots for the values for x, which we call as roots. So it is minus b plus minus root d by 2a. And one good thing for us is that 289 is a perfect square number, so this will become 17, plus minus 17. So this is something that by this thing we can be happy. Maths makes us happy. So let's go. Minus b. Okay, minus b plus minus 17 by 2a. 2a is 6 root 2. 6 root 2. Okay. Here one thing that we need to think about, and that if I keep this as minus, then this entire term will also be negative. If this entire term is negative, that is if y this x is negative, then this entire term will be negative because this entire term is x. If this entire term is negative, then this entire thing will be negative, and we know that log के यहाँ पे कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं आ सकता. ओके तो यहाँ पे मुझे पॉजिटिव करना पड़ेगा, और पॉजिटिव के लिए मैं नेगेटिव वाली पॉसिबिलिटी हटा देता हूँ. तो इसमें आ जाएगा 16/6√2 which comes out to be 8/3√2. Okay, this is the value for x. Okay, this is the value for x. This is value for x. Now let me put this value over here. Okay, we will write this entire thing again. This thing we will write again. 6 plus log 3/2 into 1/3√2 into this entire term was x, and we got the value for x as this. So I'll write 8/3√2. Okay, now we will just simplify it. I'll tell you how. 6 plus log base 3/2, and this becomes 8, 9 and 2 18. Okay, I can write this as 4/9. Okay, now we got another reason to cheer here, because we know that this and this are somewhat related. 2 square 4 and 9 square 3 square 9. So I can write it as 6 plus log 3/2 4/9. Okay, now if you see this will come out to be -2. This will come out to be -2 or -2, because if you flip this number and make its power 2, then you will get this number. So this term comes out to be -2. So it is 6 minus 2, which is equals to 4. So this entire term, the answer for this thing is 4. I hope you people liked the video and you found my methods to be easy and easy to understand. Keep practicing mathematics, keep scoring good marks, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.